Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are making a new special series, where we are going to learn about few softwares which are useful outside our VFX course, but are not that famous due to some reason. Today we are going to learn about software, which can convert videos to higher resolution and frames using artificial intelligence. It is known as Dain, and Dain App. Dain stands for Depth-Aware Video Frame Interpolation, which is open source code that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning, which convert videos in higher resolution and frames, which uses a command line only tool which run on a Linux server with powerful graphics card, and you have to type the commands to interact with it. So Dain App team made a front-end program to convert Dain code to a simple software to make it user-friendly, which we can run on Windows. Dain source can be downloaded from GitHub because it is an open source code, but today we will download the Dain App. If you type Dain App on Google, the first or second link will be there, or I can post link in description, or we can go to Patreon page of Dain App team. AMD GPU do not support Dain App. Only NVIDIA GPUs with CUDA 5 and above work properly. To download the zip file, you guys can support Dain App team by donating on Patreon. Now scroll down to get the latest version and click on it. New window will pop up with a download button. Click on it to start the download. Next, we have to unzip this file. So use WinRAR or any software to unzip it, which will make a folder named as Dain App. Open it and scroll down to see Dain App X file. Click on it to run the program. A command line will open up, and after few seconds the Dain App will open up. Minimize the command line. If you try to close it, Dain App will be close to. Then you see this interface. Here you choose the file's input and output, and mode 1 to 4. I suggest mode 3 and 4 only because they work fine without any problem in frames and speed. Next is depth awareness mode and interpolation like 2x. 4x or 8x. Then the most important thing is fix out of memory option. Because Dain use too much GPU power, the video need to be divided into parts, or even downscale for better performance. Sometimes depending on GPU, number of division can go up to 7 or 8 if you have a laptop, but I do not recommend doing anything on a laptop. It takes too much time. So here are some videos that are already converted by the Dain App, to see the difference. For more information, I will post 1 or 2 tutorial videos in the description too. Dain App users always advise to get best GPU in the market like 1080, 2080 Super or even a Quadro GPU to get seamless processing. If you guys need any other help, you can join Dain App Discord group. Admins and other members are there to help you 24/7. You can even ask them to convert video for free. But please ask them nicely. So that's it guys. Hope you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this. Please subscribe my channel and like and share the videos. Bye.